Now I'm going to briefly explain the simulation used throughout this tutorial. The inputs for the simulation can be found in this salmon colored box. The first two tabs allow you to make the inputs. The first tab allows you to plug in a time constant for your low-pass filter as well as the low-pass filter slope. This should be set to 12 decibels per octave and left there throughout the tutorial. It also allows you to change the reference frequency manually and the phase of the reference frequency. Make sure to disable auto track so that this green light here is off, otherwise the reference frequency will automatically set itself to the signal frequency. The second tab allows us to change the signal frequency, the amplitude of the signal, and the phase angle of the signal. It also allows us to impose amplitude modulation. The amplitude shown here will be measured in fractions of the amplitude of the signal, so a value of 1 put in here would make the amplitude of the amplitude modulation equal to the amplitude of the signal, so 4 in this case. We can also put the frequency of the amplitude modulation in here. One last thing we can add is a white noise of a given amplitude by changing the number in this box. There are 3 distinct outputs on the simulation. There are a pair of boxes here which show your Vout X and Vout Y with both sliders and numbers. There's a time evolution shown here where Vout X is the light blue line and Vout Y is the red line. And there's a 2-dimensional display where this pink dot represents the value. Its position in the x-axis shows Vout X, its position in the y-axis shows Vout Y.